Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how to book a trip in Klook. So friends, all you have to do, choose any location, for example Tokyo. If you want to book this one, click this. This is our offer, special offer. Click this one. You will see this page. From this page you have offers for you. You have different things. Click on just select this one and then click book now. When you select your date or all these details, click book now. Select your quantity, for example this one. Click book now. I will redirect it to payment page. This is a payment page. So friends, from here choose your booking details, all the details, and click go to payments. Enter your name and first name and last name for your all details. Click save. Enter your phone number or any number for countries. For example, this is my phone number. And then click go to payments. After that, you will pay this book. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. This is for checkout. Complete your process, your credit or debit card, and then click pay now.